In times of crisis, businesses plan, innovate, and transform. It's in their nature. But nature itself is in crisis. Nature loss is a growing risk that cannot be ignored. Without all the services nature provides, like clean water, food, minerals, pollination, businesses cannot operate. This is an opportunity for businesses to step up and lead the way. 196 governments have sent an unmistakable signal to companies. We must halt and reverse nature loss by 2030. There is no time to wait. Regulation is coming. Investors and consumers are demanding change. The question for every leader: where is nature in your business strategy? Now is the time to create a nature strategy, a roadmap of how a company will contribute to a nature-positive world. A nature strategy will boost business resilience, reduce negative impacts, while strengthening sustainability goals and restoring and regenerating ecosystems. Nature is complex, but guidance is available now. The Nature Strategy Handbook is a step-by-step guide on how to write a nature strategy and where to find the most useful tools and expertise. The countdown to 2030 is on. Embrace this opportunity. Start your nature strategy today. Don't let later become never. It's now for nature.